Welcome to Tiny Tales. Let's learn together.
Activate your power. Hit subscribe and join the Super Kid Squad.
Children, today we're learning about table manners. Table manners help us eat politely and keep mealtime happy.
Before eating, I wash my hands with soap and water.
I wait until everyone is seated before I start eating. I take small bites and chew my food nicely.
Good manners. Make every bite better.
Take only what you can eat. Wasting food is not nice. It's better to finish what's on your plate. Always thank the person who prepared your meal. It shows kindness and appreciation.
That's wonderful. Good manners make mealtime special.
I take small bites and chew my food nicely. I use my napkin to keep my face clean. And when I finish your meal, I say thank you for the food.
Excellent. Table manners show respect, care, kindness to others.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.